So this was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now I love these Vivilumens clocks and chargers. They are so unique and so boho chic. They just always live up to the quality and ease of use that I expect. Now let's get into it. Okay, so this clock does have Bluetooth. You can pair it with your phone very easily. Now, even though it says it's connecting voice and messages and all that, the only thing I could really get it to do was play the music that's on my phone, which is all I'm ever going to need it to do. And you can charge it while it's playing your music. So the side buttons, you're going to want to set your time. You want to set your alarm. You can even set the volume of the alarm and the different types of sounds you may want to wake up to. Now I did unplug it to move it into another room and it held its charge. There must be an inner battery, which is great for power outages. Now what's great is everything about this is dimmable. Even the clock on the front can be turned completely off for nighttime when you want to sleep. And also the light in the back of the unit, or when the unit is open, that's completely dimmable, or you can just shut it off completely as well. So not only do I really like the way this clock looks, I love all the features that I didn't even know I needed, like the dimmable display, the dimmable light, being able to charge my phone on top of it at night. Just so many features that makes this clock really great. And it just looks good, huh?